Hey there, I'm going to show you how to add aid stations along the course. So this is the Rimmed River 100. Um, just a course somebody had asked me to add in here, so I'm using it as a demo. So in a previous video, I went through the steps to create this course, import it into the tool using a GPX file. And this time I'm going to just add all the aid stations in. So I've got a table of aid stations and distances from the course website. So I'm going to just go ahead and add those in and then adjust them. So we have four main tabs on the tool here. We have segments, splits, waypoints, and details. Aid stations are waypoints. So I click that, and then I select this editing button to go to editing on, and now I have the ability to add and change waypoints. So I'll select new waypoint, and then type in the first one, Concho Rim, and according to the website, it's 7.5 miles in. And those are the only two fields I'm going to fill up for now. Next one is Thurmond at 17 miles. Next one is Kern, these are funny names, 27. And I'm going to pause this. Okay, now I've got all those in there from the table. So all these distances are just straight out of the table from the base page where they should be. And then now I look over at my map, look at my elevation profile, and I can see those distances aren't exactly right. So every watch measures a little bit differently. These tools measure a little bit differently in terms of distance. And so, where they show up in terms of mileage isn't exactly going to be the same depending on the recording device of where they show up in real position. So the next step is to go through and adjust the positions of each one, kind of like fine tune it. So, kind of zoom in here. So we've got this one. This is the Thurmond aid station. And I'm going to actually adjust it a little bit further out to that turnaround point by clicking on these little arrow tools. That one looks good. I've got this one here. This is Ace Beach. And there's another one called Concho Rim right in here. And these two Concho Rim ones should be in the same place. And that's going to be right up here. So I'm going to take that back up to where it should be. And then this other one, Concho Rim, it's going to be the same spot. Wrong direction. Let's see. So those two are co-located now. Ace Beach is going to be down here. So I'm going to shift that along to be that's the right spot. And then kind of go through and manipulate a few more of these. So we've got this top one at the top, Ansted, which is clearly going to be the turnaround point. So I'll shift that one to its position. All right, so the long point aid station should actually be here near this parking area. So this one, mile 38, aid station needs to be shifted forward a little bit. The way these buttons work, so little shift, bigger shift. So it's actually a 100th, 10th, and 1 mile increments. The mile 62, that one's going to come forward to there. And now I can click editing off, and all of my aid stations are in appropriate places along the course. I'll do other types of waypoints and more definition in the course in a second video. Thanks.